Hi everyone, I am Arooj and I am excited to present our hackathon project, SafePal, your personal AI safety campaign. SafePal was inspired by a common need. Sometimes we feel unsafe, anxious, or emotionally overwhelmed, and in those moments, having immediate support can make all the difference. Whether you are walking alone at night or just need someone to talk to, SafePal is here to help. SafePal offers emotional guidance through AI chatbot, let users speak instead of type of support, multiple languages, and include fake call triggers and emergency text features for personal safety. As you can see here, this is the homepage of SafePal. The user is greeted with a simple interface where they can start chatting. Show chatbot typing area, choose language, which type of language you select, any type of message you can hear. I'm in problematic. Chatbot is responding you. I'm here for you. Stay calm. Do you need? Which type of input you can say the chatbot will answers about this. And next, emergency tool. This emergency tool have 3 buttons. Show my location. This 2 button shows the location of users. Then panic button. Here we have added a fake call button. Then panic button you can press, show alerts and stay safe. Next, trigger fake call. You can apply a fake call with any neighbor. Then you can any type of topic write, going to trip, going to market, going to school today. This will responding you. Generate a fake call script in few seconds. Sorry, I was some problem that. We can again try to run this project. Streamlit, run app.py. This again will run. Show again all methods, show again buttons. Then end topic you will add, this will generate the fake call script. You can call again this script, you can read and call about that. Here we have added a fake button. Pressing it triggers a simulated call to make it look like someone is calling you, which is useful to uncomfortable situations. Then this will generate the script. Next is an about page, show all the features of my app. This is a small app. This is my small app idea. I have working on this app. More features add in future. We built SafePal using Streamlit for the front and Python for the logic, and Hugging Face and VS Code Transform for the AI chat. Everything runs locally for now, and we used basics. One of the main challenge, we did not use a Figma or a database because it's a lightweight. We learned a lot about user empathy and designing with real safety scenarios in mind. SafePal is a small step towards making people feel safer. Thank you for watching, and we hope SafePal helps someone in need.